start up with a straight pipe. A little bit louder than I would want, that's for sure. Alright, so that this area right here, that's where your cat was. You can see all them fins in there. That's where I busted it out before. So now the goal is to eliminate this, or just, yeah, I mean, if we can eliminate it, to remove some weight. But the next part is, I actually might try to save some of this. Really, it's almost a waste of time, because this right here was what I was looking to do. Basically make a straight pipe in here and yeah, just have it look factory, but glass pack style, straight through. Still got the factory spark arrestor, so I guess I'll work on getting this out. Then all I need is a short piece of exhaust pipe to put in there, and then see if we can make it look pretty again.
How much?
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. There's more videos to come with a race with the custom exhaust versus the stock exhaust.